Hi everyone. In this video, we'll take a look at Gale Opposing Viewpoints in Context, a database designed to help you explore multiple sides of current and controversial issues. Opposing viewpoints include viewpoint essays, academic articles, news, statistics, and multimedia. It's great for persuasive essays, debates, or assignments where you need to understand different perspectives on an issue. To access Gale Opposing Viewpoints in Context, first, on the BC homepage, click Services and Resources, scroll down to Library, scroll down to Research, and then click Find all of our databases with A to Z databases. And here, luckily, since it is used so often, it is under the frequently used databases on the right-hand side. So you will want to find it here. It is currently the last on this list, but Opposing Viewpoints in Context, this is the one you want. And you always want to make sure that you sign in with your BC credentials before accessing it so that you can fully take advantage of all the resources available to you. On the Opposing Viewpoints homepage, you can search for a viewpoint here in the bar, or you could click the Browse Issues light bulb icon here, which will bring you to a list of all the issues that you can explore. As you can see, there is quite a bit. Since fake news and social media was just recently updated, I'm going to click that one. So once you click on a topic, you will immediately be taken to an overview page. So from here, you can read an overview, which I will show you what that looks like. It has quite a bit of background information, so that way, if you're just coming to an issue and you want to understand it a little bit more, there is plenty of information available to you. As you can see here, we have a main ideas sidebar box, have a lot more information about it, more sidebar. And additionally, we have related articles and resources here, specific article contents, and even related subjects. Just going to go back to the main page now. So if you want to go and explore these issues a little bit more in depth, you could even go to Topic Finder. So since we already went to the Topic Finder from fake news on social media, all of these topics are going to be drawn from real connections in the database. So Topic Finder is going to be an excellent way to discover new directions or keywords for your argument. So when it comes to fake news on social media, there are a ton of resources considering online social network, fact-checking, health, video, free speech, so on and so forth. And once you click them, you can be taken to even more broken down topics. So we will have a results list on the right, which shows snippets of articles, or you could explore further by clicking even more topics. And then these are the ones specifically dealing with misinformation. Going back to the fake news on social media main page, what's great about Gale Opposing Viewpoints is that it is broken down by categories. So you can click Featured Viewpoints here, and what they mean by viewpoints are different voices in the conversation, different perspectives of looking at this issue. And we have 133 academic journal resources, so if you need to find a scholarly academic article for your assignment, this would be a good place to go. Similarly, you can look at specific news stories, infographics, even more viewpoints, magazine articles, so on and so forth. So there are plenty of resources here available to you, whether you are just diving into a topic and you want to brush up your background information, or if you specifically need to look at a certain perspective or are looking for viewpoints to consider in especially a persuasive-minded assignment. So Gale Opposing Viewpoints is going to be your go-to for exploring current issues from multiple sides and developing well-informed arguments. If you have any questions or need any assistance in navigating the database, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We are here to help.